Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the TCS Ninja interview experience that happened recently only on 1st October 2021. Guys, uh, today only I have uploaded another video in which I have covered the latest interview experience of TCS Ninja. You can find all such videos under this playlist of that is the TCS Ninja interview experience playlist. I will give the link of this playlist in the I button or in the description box. Make sure to check this playlist because in this particular playlist many ninja interview experience have been covered and latest interview experiences also you can find in this playlist. So guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe it as well as join my telegram groups. Also I post regular updates on different companies which are hiring as well as the questions which are getting asked in them. The links of the telegram groups are given in the description box. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting a video please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Okay, so guys, the date of the interview was 1st October 2021. The branch of my friend was IT. The duration of the interview was 20 minutes and the panelist consisted of 3 members, that is TR, MR and HR. Okay, so first we will be discussing the technical questions. Sorry. Now, first is tell me about yourself. So guys, if you are following my channel, if you have following every video of interview experience, you must have found this question, that this question will definitely ask from you. So make sure to prepare this question very well. You can include all those skills and please include only those skills in which you are comfortable in and in which you can answer. You can add multiple things like your extracurricular activities, your projects, your internships, the things you like. All these things you can add in this tell me about yourself question. Okay, now next question was what is a pointer. So pointer is a variable which stores the address of other variable. So for example, here we have int a is equal to 10. So here a stores 10. What is a pointer? Pointer will be a variable that will be storing the address of another variable. So here b is a pointer and it is storing the address of the other variable, that is a, storing the address of a. Now how we denote pointers? We denote pointers by int star. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, next is what are the different types of pointer. So guys, there are many types of pointers like null pointer which points to null. There is dangling pointer. Again, this dangling pointer is very important. I will try to give the link or in the description box for this particular pointer, so make sure to study this particular pointer because I have seen many interviews this dangling pointer is asked. Next is void pointer. So these were different types of pointers. Okay, next is write a program to convert octal to binary. So as in previous video also I have told you that there were certain two basic questions that were given to you, that is of Fibonacci series and one was for palindrome. So again, there are technical questions or you can say technical programming questions being asked in these interviews, so make sure to prepare them. So now this was to convert octal to binary. Again, I will give the link in the description box for this particular question. Okay, next is explain the logic for quicksort. So guys, if you have not watched my video that how to prepare for TCS Ninja interview for 2022 batch, I will give the link of that video in the I button. So make sure to watch that video because in that video also I have clearly told you that you will have to study all the searching algorithms as well as all the sorting algorithms for the interview. So these are really important part of the interview, that you must know all the searching and sorting algorithms with their time complexities. Again, if you have your interview coming up, please make sure that you watch that video, that is how to prepare for TCS NQT Ninja hiring interview. In this I have discussed the important subjects as well as the questions in those subjects which can be asked from you. So I hope this point is clear to you. Now next, these were only the technical round questions. Only 5 to 6 technical questions were asked. Next was managerial questions. Now first was explain about your leadership. So my friend had mentioned that in his resume that he is a good leader. So the interviewer asked him that explain about your leadership quality. So guys, again, please do not mention any different things in resume. The things you know, please mention only those things, and you must prepare your resume very well for the interview. So explain about your leadership. So again, this question was entirely based on the resume of this candidate. Okay, next is any situation you have convinced, in any situation where you have to convince team member. So the interviewer asked my friend that in college life you have faced any certain things where you had to convince your team members, and if you have encountered that situation, what was that situation and how you convinced them. So again, this was a situational based question. Guys, in managerial round at least one situational based question will be asked from you. So make sure that you watch all the interview experiences that I am posting now as well as I will be posting in future. So make sure to subscribe this channel for every update. So again, you can prepare your answer for this question, but please do not say that you have not encountered this situation. Try to form up a situation, because at a particular time in life we have encountered such situations. Now again, in this, if I tell you the example of this question, then you can say that you went to an hackathon and where you had to do certain changes in your project, but other team members were not convinced. Then you can form some certain things on your own and tell to the interviewer. But try to be straightforward. Do not just draft an entire story. Just you have to just tweak some things for answering such questions. Okay. Now, next is any useful thing done in the pandemic. So guys, from past 1.5 year, we are all sitting at home. We are not going to colleges. We have lot of time. So interviewer wants to know that how you have utilized your time. It is not necessary that you have learned only the technical skills which are required by the companies or in engineering. There can be certain more things, like you have learned cooking, you have learned singing, dancing, anything you have learned in this pandemic, you can tell to the interviewer. It is not necessary that you have only learned the technical things. So again, this type of question can also be asked from you in the interview. Okay, though only these 3 questions were asked in the managerial round, now there are certain questions which were asked by the HR person. So first question was, what are your hobbies? Again, you must have mentioned in resume, or you can tell anything in this particular question. Next is, what do you know about TCS? Now guys, this is the very important question of an interview, because even if you have given all the answers of the past question, but again, if you are not able to answer this type of questions that is related to company, then it will put a very bad impression, because you are giving the interview for a company and you must know certain things, that why do you actually want to join that company, what that company does, what are their previous facts or previous news. So you must know certain things about the company. So again, it's a very important thing for an interview. Next is any other offer. So again, it is dependent on you whether you say yes or no, that you have any other offer of different company or no. So it is dependent on you. Next is relocation. Again, it's dependent on you whether you are willing to relocate or not. Next is aware of bond. So yes, in TCS Ninja there is a bond. So again, tell the interviewer that yes, you are aware of the bond situation. Okay. So guys, these are all the HR questions. Now in this video, I have discussed the TR questions, MR questions, HR questions. I hope this video will really help you in preparing for your interviews. So guys, if you found this video informative, please hit the like button as well as subscribe for this channel, because I will be posting more videos today only as well as in the coming week. So make sure to subscribe this channel and join my Telegram groups. So guys, thank you for watching this video.